Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Teresa and today I'm going to show you my BOXYCHARM base box for July 2022. And this month's theme is status O. Not sure what that means. I don't know. I'm out of the loop. But let's get in and show you guys what I got in my box. So I got this Alley-Oop Stack the Odds. This says it's the best-selling 3-in-1 stackable compact. And it has cream, blush, bronzer, and highlight. And this retails for $38, and BOXYCHARM has it priced for $12 on their website. And I believe I chose this, and I chose the shade Sassy Pants. I guess there was 3 different variations you could choose from. I did get an Alley-Oop product in the past. It was like the pen came with like the lip liner, eyeliner, like that set, and I thought that was neat. But this is kind of cool. It just slides, and on the top you have the highlighter, and it does come with a mirror. I have my phone like angled a different way, so if my eyes are all over the place, that's why, because I have to have my phone charging because my battery's almost dead. But here is the highlighter. It's like a pinky highlighter, feels creamy. I haven't tried any of these products. Usually I like to try the products before I, do the video. The pink's really pretty. And the bronzer shade. I don't know if these will dry down, but they feel extremely emollient. The bronzer is like a light shade, but it looks a little warm. But they all look pretty. I'll have to test them out. I do want to do a BOXYCHARM Get Ready With Me soon, like using the products. So maybe I'll include this in that video. I can't remember if I chose this one as well. I don't remember. Maybe you only do get one choice for the base box. I don't know. But this is the Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cream. This retails for $76, and they had it priced for $10 on BOXYCHARM's website. I've tried the cleanser in this line, and I very much enjoyed it. And I tried another Kate Somerville cleanser, which I enjoyed as well. Cute little packaging, $76. It's expensive. Didn't use this on my face yet, but it does feel really light and moisturizing. I don't really detect a smell, but I feel like this would be a really nice daytime moisturizer. It doesn't feel too thick or heavy, and it really sinks into the skin, so it seems like really nice quality. The third product is from Jecca Black. This is called Glow Drops, and it retails for $20, and BOXYCHARM has it for $6. It says you could use this to like prep and brighten your complexion, and you could apply it over your face as like a base. But you could also use it as like a highlighter. So I have tried a Jecca Black product in the past from BOXYCHARM. It was like the under eye color corrector, and it was kind of like a weird product. It was watery, and it like went bad really fast. I actually had to get rid of it. But this is the little packaging right here. It's vegan, cruelty free, and it says this is Rose Pearl. So here it is right there. I don't know what's in my hand. And my cat scratched me earlier. He was being a bad boy. But it looks like a pretty color. It almost looks like skin tone. Kind of reminds me of like what the Flawless Filter would be like. And it doesn't look like it has any glitter in it, and it looks really pretty. I think it would be really pretty as like a more natural highlight and as a primer. And it doesn't feel too heavy on my hand either. Even on the shoulders or something, it would look really pretty. So yeah, it looks like a really nice product. The fourth product is from Saturday Skin. This is the Yuzu Vitamin C Bright Eye Cream, and this retails for $32. For some reason, I couldn't find this in the review section for the base box. But I do have Saturday Skin, the Yuzu Vitamin C like overnight mask product. I'm actually almost out of that. And this is their little eye cream. And it looks thick. It is a thick eye cream. Like you can see that you just like squirted it in there. But it does feel like it's gonna be super hydrating. But it seems to like absorb into the skin nicely, and it doesn't feel too oily or greasy. It feels silky. So this looks nice too. So far everything's nice. And the fifth product and the last product in the box is from the Beauty Crop. And this is a liquid eyeshadow duo. This retails for $18. So one side is the creamy velvet pigment, the matte formula, and the other side is the liquid glitter formula. So you could layer it, mix and match. It kind of reminds me of like the Huda Beauty product similar to this. I remember seeing Beauty Crop in Ipsy when I had Ipsy a while back. So here is the matte shade. Kind of like a burnt red, brown red. And then the shimmer, the glitter shade, like a coppery color. I think this would be a really pretty fall duo. I would have to try this out. These are products I tend to reach for that often. I do usually reach for my eyeshadows, the powder formula, but I don't know. I'd have to give this a shot and see how I'd like it. They seem like nice products. Everything seems good quality, but it wasn't like an exciting, thrilling box this month. I feel like BOXYCHARM has been doing awesome. And this is just a so-so box. Everything's nice. Nothing looks bad. But it's not super thrilling. I don't know. But the overall retail value is $184. And yeah, I'll get use out of these products. I'm sure. I always enjoy skincare from Boxy. I don't like when I get too much skincare, because, you know, you don't want your box filled with skincare. But I think it was a good mix of skincare and makeup. And yeah, I'll just have to play around with these products some more. I will do the next video, well, probably if I get my premium, but I would like to film a BOXYCHARM get ready with me using those products soon. But anyways, guys, I hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.